The power and dominion are taken by the will, by divine right, hail and kill.
Yes, it's been a while since I made a video about wild edible plants, so let's rock. This is red clover. And red clover is a wild edible plant. You can eat the leaves and you can eat the flower and the stems and so on. Although I don't recommend that you eat too many flowers. However, when the flower heads get a little tired, they look something like this, or maybe this, or this, and then you can extract the seeds from them. This is bullshit combined with seeds. And as per always when it comes to wild edible plants, nice places, nice plants, don't destroy, don't deplete, eat in moderation and eat in variation. This is non-toxic. The white clover can be toxic in hotter countries, so I do not recommend it, but the red clover, especially here in Sweden, is considered to be non-toxic. All of the parts above ground level. And when it comes to wild edible plants on my channel, it can be seen as some kind of intro or inspiration source or whatever you want to call it, because there are tons of wild edible plants and I have only gone through the most common ones in Sweden where I live. So hopefully it will inspire you to try them out and to gather more information. And as always, safety first, so know that what you are eating is actually edible and not toxic. Check out other sources as well. Anyway, these are the seeds. Let's see here if I can do some kind of situational approach, maybe. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, you can actually quite easily see which are the seeds and which are not. Yeah, when seeds are matured, they... What the fuck? What's up with the focus? Come on man, focus. Yeah, the focus is totally out of focus. Anyway, when seeds are mature, they should be somewhere in the range of yellow to brown. These are quite brown actually. I'm going to see here if they are super hard or not. Here we go. Yeah. They are quite soft. Taste like peas. Let's have another one. Yeah, these are very nice. I do not recommend that you eat them like this, however. I recommend that you soak them for at least 8 hours. They are really tasty, red clover seeds, or beans, or whatever you want to call them, legumes. Brooms. And yeah, they contain blah 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 blah, vitamins and minerals and so on, and they have some kind of estrogen like substance as well. So if you are a man, maybe you don't want to eat too many of the seeds and the leaves and the flowers and so on, but yeah, experiment. It's up to you, of course. I'm gonna have another one here. Oh, yeah. So, nice places, nice plants. Don't destroy, don't deplete. Eat in variation and moderation. And safety first. Know that what you are gathering is edible and non-toxic and so on. But this was a little video about red clover seeds, which are edible. And yeah, when you have picked them out in nature, only take half of what's available everywhere, as I have shown you in previous videos. When you have picked an amount, dry it at home until it is super dry, and then soak it in distilled water for at least 8 hours. Get rid of the water, rinse them and so on, and then you can just eat them as they are, or dry them again and crush them up in a mortar or whatever, make some kind of paste, or yeah, whatever the case may be. So, red clover seeds. Try it out. Have an awesome now. Thank you for watching. Check out other sources. Be safe and so on. Ciao.